kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongki. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Parti Kongres Haribhoi District Kalakta Jor Hadien Buba Rocky E. Marwen ubari Presiden Jog Haribhoi District Congress Committee Wabadru ya kamkum Presiden ko Umsling Block Congress Committee hak shpotrik juli aja apun rio ulapa yak shiti e na kam shau Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kapapen paru ba om yadan benta e issue bat kaseng Congress kajingmi jong ba Rocky E. Marwen na kaseng Congress kan kita shibuan ya parti tang ha Umsling Constituency Henry Ward Haribhoi District Hakashiti e na kam uba Rocky E. Marwen lapan pa bu hamban e na e kam kung nong ilam bat kung udukhan ke parti Congress kadai nagi daw shi met jong bat kam dan kunu ke jinga pe jong mut hapok ke parti.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.